Mysterious seismic waves rippled through the Earth on 11/11, November 11, and scientists are baffled. It was as though the planet rang like a bell. Sean Adeltabatabai News Punch reports. The world was struck with abnormal seismic waves earlier this month, and scientists are still baffled as to why. They have no answer for this. On November 11, at 9:30 UTC, 9:30 a.m., a mysterious rumble traveled thousands of kilometers around the globe, setting off sensors throughout Africa, New Zealand, Canada, and Hawaii. These seismic waves began roughly 15 miles off the shores of Mayotte, which is a French island situated between Africa and the northern tip of Madagascar. The waves then traveled almost 11,000 miles away from their point of origin without a single human feeling them. Luckily, an earthquake enthusiast in New Zealand who had been tuned in to the U.S. Geological Survey's real-time seismograph display online spotted them as they occurred. ABC Net Australia reports they posted images of the readings to Twitter, prompting researchers around the world to try to deduce where these bizarre waves came from. PAX tweeted November 11, "This is the most odd and unusual seismic signal recorded at Kilima Mbogo in Kenya. Unlike traditional earthquakes, which produce a jolt of various high frequencies, the readings from the Mayotte tremor picked up consistent low frequencies that lasted for more than 20 minutes. It was as though the planet rang like a bell. Online theorists suggest covert nuclear tests, sea monsters, or a meteorite as the cause of the tremor, but Goran Ekstrom, a seismologist at Columbia University, told National Geographic the explanation was likely straightforward. Professor Ekstrom suggests that the seismic event actually did begin with an earthquake. He thinks it passed by surreptitiously because it was a slow earthquake. Slow earthquakes are quieter than traditional quakes because they come from a gradual release of stress that can stretch over a significant period of time. Professor Ekstrom said, "The same deformation happens, but it does not happen as a jolt." Since May this year, Mayotte has been subjected to what is known as an earthquake swarm, a cluster of hundreds of seismic events over a period of days or weeks, but the activity has significantly lessened in recent months. Analysis by the French Geological Survey suggests that strange waves may indicate a mass movement of magma beneath the Earth's crust, such as a chamber collapse. Rhythmic motion, like sloshing of the molten rock or a pressure wave ricocheting through the magma body, have the potential to resonate in a similar way to the Mayotte readings. The Democratic Republic of Congo was the site of a similar event in 2002, where a similar slow earthquake and low-frequency waves were linked with a magma chamber collapsing below the volcano called Nyiragongo. I'll leave links below for you for this, by Sean Adeltabatabai on News Punch. Kindly support my Patreon account, since that's the only way I can continue what you like seeing on this channel. Thank you. You'll find it in the description box below.